Hey guys, quick question. Ever had that moment where you translate Chinese to English word for word and native speakers just go, huh? You use perfect grammar, the right words, but it still sounds off. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. Great English isn't about direct translation. It's about using the short, natural phrases natives throw around without thinking. Most of the mistakes I hear from learners, not grammar, just word-for-word translations that miss the mark. Swap those out, and your fluency jumps instantly. Today, I'm breaking down 5 common direct translation fails, plus the easy native phrases to use instead. I'll give you real scenarios, why they work, and examples, so you can start using them today. Let's dive in.
Ditch, I'm very busy. Use, I've got a lot on my plate. When to use it? When you're swamped. Like when a colleague asks if you can take on more work, or a friend invites you out, but you're tied up. Why it's better? It's a simple metaphor, like saying your plate's full of food. Way more vivid than just, I'm very busy. And it sounds like how real people talk. Example, can you help with this project? Sorry, I can't. I've got a lot on my plate this week. Ditch, I don't have enough time. Use, time is running out. When to use it? When there's urgency. Think deadlines, catching a flight, or finishing a task before a clock hits 0. Why it's better? I don't have enough time is fine, but time is running out feels dynamic. It tells people time's slipping away. They'll get why you're in a hurry. Example, we need to finish this report now. Time is running out before the deadline. Ditch, I'm okay, to refuse politely. Use, I'm good. When to use it? When someone offers you something extra, like a coffee refill, fries with your meal, or invites you to do something you don't want to do. Why it's better? I'm okay makes people think you're answering, how are you? But I'm good is native shorthand for I'm set, no thank you. Polite, quick, and natural. Example, want another soda? No, I'm good, thank you. Number 4, ditch, thank you very much. Use, I appreciate it. When to use it? Anytime you want to say thanks. At work, a coworker helps you, or daily life, someone holds the door or helps you move boxes. Why it's better? It's warmer than thank you very much. It says, I notice what you did for me and it matters. Natives use this all the time, in both casual and professional settings. Example, I helped you fix your laptop. Oh, I appreciate it so much. You saved me. Number 5, ditch, it's difficult. Use, it's a tough call. When to use it? When you have to make a hard choice, like, should we launch the product now or wait? Or, do I take the job offer or stay?
Why it's better? It's difficult is too vague. A tough call means this decision is tricky. I have to weigh pros and cons. It's exactly how natives talk about hard choices. Example: should we cancel the event because of rain? It's a tough call. Everyone was looking forward to it.
Wrap up. Here's the takeaway. Stop translating word for word. Start thinking in phrases. These 5 little changes will make your English sound smoother, more natural, like you've been speaking it forever. Fluency isn't about big words. It's about using the right simple phrase at the right time. Your challenge today: next time someone offers you something you don't need, a refill, extra fries, say, "I'm good." That's it. Easy. Now, tell me, which of these direct translation mistakes have you made? Which phrase are you going to use first? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If you want to practice these phrases more, I can make you a native phrase cheat sheet with pronunciation tips and extra examples. Just let me know if you'd like that.